Right now, let's go straight and optimize our YouTube channel optimization. So right now, we'll go into this browser here. I'll be using crypto tab. You type youtube.com and you search youtube.com. You search. I've taught you this. Make sure you change to desktop site before you do anything. Change to desktop site first. So right now we are logging into desktop site. So once it logs in, then the next thing you should do is to visit your channel. So once it logs in, you visit your channel where you now start your optimization. So click on this image up here, then we'll click on your channel. Excuse me, sorry. You click on this, you click on your channel. Good one. So you click on your channel. So right now this is our channel on the YouTube studio on the desktop site. So right now we have done the optimization. I taught you the optimization in the last video. We did optimization in the last video just to show you some little things before we go into the next one. Okay, having some bad networks right now. Let's just wait for it to load. Okay, it's loading. So right now, after it's almost load, okay, good one. Bad network. Okay, thank God we are here. So right now, I've taught you guys how to do the branding. We have done the branding. We have done the basic information. We even added our Facebook profile link. Okay, so we have added our Facebook page link. Sorry, and we have done this part. So right now, we'll be going to optimizing this channel. So right now, we'll be clicking on this place. You see this place, this setting arrow, this setting. We'll be clicking on it. So let me zoom it so that you can see it. Zoom. Okay, we'll be clicking on this setting button right here. So click on it. Once you click on it, it will load. Right now it have load. So right now you see general, they say default unit. So this default unit, leave it in US dollars so that your payment will be coming in dollars, not in naira. Please leave it in dollars. So this one we're not going to touch it because we want our money to be coming in dollars when we have reached the criteria of YouTube and we have placed a monetization this thing. We have monetized our channel. So when we monetize our YouTube channel, then our money will be paid in US dollars. So right now we're not touching this part. So let's click on channel. So right now, good one. This is where we want to go. Channel, they say country of residence. So right now you have to tell YouTube the truth, because the reason is this: when you win any award or there's any gift YouTube wants to give you, they'll be working with this country you place here. So click on it. If you click on it, then it will open up. You choose your country. So we are choosing Nigeria. You know your country, because some persons in this class are not from Nigeria. Excuse me, we have to choose our country. Nigeria. Where is Nigeria? We are looking for N. Okay, this Nigeria. Good one. So look at it right now. It's Nigeria. So right now this place is a keyword. You can look for keywords that work for you based on your niche. Understand? Based on your niche. Like this, my own channel is talking about social media. So I'll be like something like how to. You can choose something like how to. Once you are done writing what you want to write, how to, you click on the next button and it will save. So how to, that is what I mean by how to. That is when someone search how to do this, my video will pump up. My YouTube will suggest my video. How to do this, how to do that. So that is what I mean by how to. Then I can still also search on like YouTube channel. So when you talk about YouTube channel, my video should be coming up. YouTube channel, how to create a YouTube channel. So you just keep on, you know what are in your niche, what are people looking for. You can also do this by going to the YouTube search button and search for this. Understand? You can just, let me show you something. You can log into YouTube here. You can just go to YouTube based on your niche. You can go to YouTube and know what you're searching for. So right now, let me just say YouTube. Let me just ask YouTube. So just type YouTube. Let me see what they will suggest for me. So right now we have which one does. Okay, this one is. So let's say Let's use the how to. You see it now, they start suggesting how to make YouTube channel, how to start a YouTube channel, how to get more views on YouTube, how to make money on YouTube, how to, you see, this one is how to kiss, it's not in my niche, how to make pancake, it's not in my niche, how to make money online, this one is related to my niche, how to make cake, how to make fried rice, is not in my niche. So I'll be choosing this ones here. I'll go and type in there how to make money on YouTube, how to make YouTube channel, how to get more views. So let's go back, you minimize and go back. So right now I'll click on this place and I'll type how to make. So whenever anybody type anything like how to make something, my video will be coming up. Then how to make a YouTube channel, how to make money from YouTube. Okay, how to get more views on YouTube, not on WhatsApp, on YouTube. So that's how you do it. You look for what are your niche. The YouTube search button can also help you to do that. You understand? So that is it. Next, you click on advanced setting. So right now on this advanced setting, they say here, do you want your channel to be set for kids? I'll say no. I'll click on no. I don't want it to be set for kids. Then also you see here they say link account. This is for AdSense. We are not going for that because we have not reached the YouTube requirements. Then this place say YouTube subscribers count. So when you click on this, it will not display it, but when you click on it, you see display the number of people subscribed to my channel. So when you click on it and this YouTube, this mark engine here, let me see, you see this mark up here is showing. That means people can see how many subscribers you have. So right now I let them see it. I like them seeing it. Understand? Then we'll click on this future eligibility. This is very, very important. So like right now looking at it, they say standard feature. We are eligible for standard feature. You see it, we're eligible for this. We can upload video, we can do playlists, collaborate with playlists, add new videos to existing playlists. We can do this. Good one. But right now you see that this place they say eligible. We are not eligible for this. We are not eligible for this. That is, if we are eligible for it right now, it will just show enabled. So now let's verify it. Let's make it eligible, because without enabling this, we cannot upload a video up to 15 minutes. We cannot put a customized thumbnail. We cannot go live. Normally you don't go live until you reach at least 100 subscribers and above. Understand? Once you hit 100 to 500 subscribers, you can start going live. So we'll click on this, and for us to get access to all this, to 15 minutes and to upload more than 15 minutes video long, to do live streaming, to appeal, all this stuff, we have to verify our phone number. So we'll be clicking on the verification phone number here. We'll be clicking on this. So right now we'll click on this. We'll click on verify phone number. They'll ask us to put our phone number based on your country. Understand? So right now once it shows up, we'll put our phone number immediately and we'll start. Okay. So right now we'll be putting our phone number up here. Okay. So right now you see it, they say put your phone number, you set your country. Make sure you set your country. Look at it right here. Country must be Nigeria or your country. You know your country. So my country is Nigeria. So I'll be putting my phone number here. Okay, so phone number. So my phone number, I'll be putting my phone number here. So after putting your phone number, you click on this place. They say send code. That is getting the code. You click on it, get code. So they will send me a 6-digit verification code, which I'll paste here immediately. So let's wait for the code. The code is coming up. Once they send it, then I'll paste it. Yes, the code have arrived. So we have the code. I'll copy the code. I've copied it. So I'll come here, I'll paste it. I've pasted the code. I'll click submit. So once I submit it, they will, okay, see right now they say phone number verified. Congratulations, your phone number is now verified. Wow, good one. Look at it right here. Our phone number is now verified. Wow, that is a very good one. You see it's verified. Good one. So you can come back. Let's go back to our channel. Let's go back to our YouTube studio channel on the desktop site. So right now you see that they'll say verify. Let's go back a little. Excuse me. So let's click on this. Okay, it's loading. It's loading. Okay, so this is it. So let's go back there and see what we have. So we'll go back to our setting. Channel. Let's go back to feature. You see right now it is now enabled. Can you see it right here that it is now enabled? So we can now upload video. What's up, like video longer than 15 minutes. So that is it. So good one. So now here we are not still eligible here. So let's know why. They said access feature. Let's try this. Give it access feature. Let's try this. Okay. Okay. Now they say use verified blah 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 blah. Okay, don't worry about this. This will be verified after a day when we start uploading our videos. So they will verify this by themselves. So this is it. So we are done with this. So forget about this upload default. Let me show you how this works. Upload default. Okay, this is a very essential one. This upload default right now, for me, I like using something like you can just say this title. What this enables you, this upload default, it's help you to work well on your YouTube channel. Like now, if you don't want to always come to your YouTube channel and start maybe immediately you upload video, you start writing stuffs, you can just write it here, and once you upload the video, it will just automatically upload itself on that video, just like this. I can just use an emoji pointing that just to create awareness. Let me show you something. Okay, I can just decide to post only this on my YouTube channel. Excuse, where is this? Good. I can just put this. That is it. When I now place my title now, it will just be pointing there. So when someone sees my video, see that hand pointing down, the person will like get like it will create awareness. The person will like what? The person will like try to read the title. You get, the person will try to read the title. So after reading the title, with combined with my thumbnail, title, and everything, the person will like, let me try and click on this video to see what value I'll get. You get. So that is it. Then this description is just, you know what your video is all about. You know your niche. Like now, I'm always talking about YouTube. So I'll just like, I can just type in here, welcome, not sir. Can I say welcome to my, I can say official YouTube channel. Here I teach how to create customize, optimize, and where to customize, optimize, and get ready paying YouTube channel. Just something like this. Just type something that you know that you normally type it regularly, so that when you just type it here, once you upload video, to just upload itself there without you typing it. So understand. Then the visibility, you click on it, put it as on list, because sometimes you need to edit it. But if you put it public, once you just upload video to go viral, it will just go public immediately. So that is it. Then you can add tags that are in your niche. Like me, I'm into YouTube. I'll put YouTube, how to create a YouTube channel, how to go viral on YouTube, how to gain more views on YouTube. Okay, so you know your niche, you just keep on typing, putting more keywords. The more keywords you add, the more viral you go, understand, the more you rank on YouTube. So that is it for this. Then I will click on this advanced settings. Then this advanced settings, then you set your language. English, normally it's English, you set it in English. Then let's click on this. So look for English. So I'm using the UK English, or you can use the US English. So I'm using the UK English. Then okay, so I'll also allow all comments to appear, or you can also hold some potential in app, or just you see the inappropriate comments for the review. You review them before they go viral or go public. So but me, I just like all comments coming up. So that is it. So this one show how many views like this video. When you this one here, look at it here. Let me click on it. You see this thing here, right here. Yeah, this one. Once this thing is on, as it is on right now, if someone dislike my video, another person can see it, and if someone likes my video, another person can see it. So how many likes I have on the video, somebody else can still see it, and how many dislike I have on the video, someone else can still see it. Despite the fact YouTube have disabled dislike. When you dislike someone's video, it's not going to be visible. But that's why the fact some people still keep on disliking people's video, which is very bad, because that affects your channel. So that is it. So you can also, then here your category. What is your category? Are you into entertainment? Are you into sports, gaming, pets and pets and animals, also filming and animation, education, all these stuffs, entertainment, comedy, blogging, all this. But for me, okay. For me, I'm into the how-to. I'm not into styles, but because of that how-to, this one here, because of this how-to that is close to it, I'll be choosing it. So I'll be choosing how-to. So I'll be choosing how-to. Let me check if I can still look for another one. Okay, how-to is the best for me. So I'll be choosing how-to. Then leave this caption certification. Leave it none. So that is it. Nothing more, nothing less. So that is how it works. So this permission, community agreement, leave that for now. It is not yet in your own. It's above the scope of this particular level right now. You are still a small YouTuber, so you don't need that for now. So you click on this save button right now. You click on the save button up here. So you click on it, save, and to save everything we have done so far. So that is it. So it have saved it right now. So that is it for it. So looking at it right now, we are on our channel. This is our YouTube channel. So this is the home page of the desktop site. So you see everything here is zero, nothing here, nothing more. Like we don't have anything here right now because we are just setting up this channel. So this channel is like it's set up right now. So let me show you that on the YouTube app. Let's go to the main YouTube app and let me show you how the channel looks, right? Like how it looks like right now. So this is it. Let's click on the icon, click on your channel. So this is how it is right now. We don't have any videos, no playlist, nothing. So this is how our channel looks like right now. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how to create or how to upload videos. Thank you.